Welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen on the road in Pennsylvania. It's a sunny Saturday, so we decided to hit the road to Roadside America in Shartlesville, Pennsylvania. Roadside America is a massive miniature village with trains, trolleys, running water, tiny folks living, working, and playing, and so much more. When we were there were even superheroes. The sun sets on the village in a pageant every half hour, then rises again, so the tiny villagers can go about their day. Don't miss this throwback to a simpler time the next time you're passing through Pennsylvania on Interstate 78. And no trip to Pennsylvania would be complete without a stop at our favorite diner, Village Diner in Milford. Whether you're craving a big plate of delicious food, a masterpiece in milkshake form, or one of Maria's famous pies, Village Diner is the perfect place to end a day on the road. We're home safe and sound, and all that driving made us thirsty. Here's a lovely libation featuring Faber Gin, which is made in Milford Township, Pennsylvania. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of gin, 1/2 ounce Campari, 1/2 ounce pineapple juice, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Here's to a great day. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!